A video can get corrupt due to logical, storage, application, or any other related issue. To fix a corrupted video file, Recoverit 11 offers an additional video repairing feature. The tool can fix almost any video file, irrespective of its file size and its issue. Simply open the user-friendly software, select the corrupted video repair option on the left dashboard. Step 1. Add corrupted videos. Firstly, you can click on the Add Video button from its home to launch a browser window. After this, you can just browse to the location where the corrupted videos are stored and load them to the software. Step 2. Repair corrupted videos. Wait for a while as the corrupted video repair would fix the loaded videos. You can view the progress from an on-screen indicator and simply wait for the process to be completed. Preview the repaired video. After the repairing process is completed, you click Preview button to view the complete videos on its interface. Advanced repair. Add a sample video. If the video has been severely damaged or the standard scan is not able to yield the expected results, then you can just click on the Advanced Repair option instead. Add a sample video. Ideally, a sample video is a valid video file that should be of the same format as the corrupted video file and must be shot on the same device as well. Repair corrupted videos. Once the sample video has been successfully matched, just click on the Repair button to start the video repairing process. Step 3. Preview and save the repaired videos. When the repairing process is completed, you can just save the repaired videos on the location of your choice. A browser window will open, letting you go to the specific location to save the videos, or add a new folder.